Hi YouTube. I thought I'd take a walk around the campground, sort of show you a little bit about it. I'm back in the back section. I'm not sure how many spots there are here. I'm on number 60. I think there's like 75 on this loop, and about half of them are full hookups. And this is the first time I've been here that the hookups aren't all full. Of course, could be get a little late in the season. It's coming up on St. Patrick's Day. I think it's tomorrow, and so a lot of people are meandering north. I don't know what the rush is. There's still some snow up there, so but if you came down here and wanted a full hookup site, you definitely want to get a reservation, just to be sure. I'm usually here mid to late February into March, and I've never seen the full hookups empty like this, or as empty as it is. But I've also never had a reservation, never had a problem getting a site, because there's a whole lot of no hookups. I guess people are addicted to that air conditioning thing. So I'm walking out. I'll show you the other loop in a sec. So this is the loop, A loop, I guess, for tents, and it's pretty open. A couple of bathrooms and shower facilities. They don't have, well, yeah, they do. They do have hot water over here. I don't know if you can see on that side, they've got solar for the hot water. The one in the RV loop does not have that, but that's okay. I'm set up. So this is the walk-in tenting area. Basically, park on the road, carry your stuff in, and pick a spot with a fire ring and a table. And if you want a good view of sunsets, this be the place to be. That's the Florida Bay. The sunsets over there, and oh, these are new. These are what they're calling eco lodges, and it looks like they're setting them up in pairs off of a big boardwalk. And they tell me they should be open next year. They'll be fully furnished. So if you don't have an RV or a tent, but you'd like to come down here and spend some time, this is definitely a good option for you. I don't know what the cost is. I'm sure that'll be on their website. But they're basically a big tent under a big awning. And let's just sort of take a peek. And it looks like the ceiling is vented up there, but because it's underneath this big awning, it'll stay a little bit cooler. And I mean, look at the size of these windows. These things are look to be about 12 by 12, maybe a little bit bigger. Big opening facing out, so you can open up the doors here. Definitely a different option down here. There used to be a hotel, but a hurricane took that out many years ago. And then they said Emily rolled through here a year and a half ago and did all kinds of damage. I haven't fixed the solar water heater over there for that shower. There used to be, back by that shower down there, there used to be a big screen that they could show movies on or do presentations, and that's gone. But so many options if you want to come down here to camp. So what's there to do down here? Well, you already saw from the last video, there is that boat tour. There's another boat tour. It goes out onto Florida Bay. They do that 6:30 at night, and because they're out there till sunset, and at least this time of year maybe they move it later as the sun stays up a little longer. I don't know. I'm not sure what they do down here during the summer, because I think it'd be damn hot. It's in the 80s today. Like I said, we're mid-March. But as you can see, the beard and the hair, been a nice breeze today, which keeps the mosquitoes down. They tell me there's 40 different species of mosquitoes down here, of which only 13 attack humans. It's like, all right, 13, except for multiply that by like 1 million per species on any given night. So a little breeze like this is keeping them down. They can't fly in it, so it's sort of nice. But there's you can rent a canoe or a kayak up where we took the boat. I'm not sure how many people kayaking up there went by that crocodile, or all those crocodiles, and did notice. Probably most of them. There are some trails to go hiking, and there's other places you could take, and if you want to portage your or carry your canoe in to, like, I think it's Bear Lake is one of them. There's a couple ponds that you put right into. So there's all kinds of stuff. There's also ranger-led activities. I think every morning at 8 o'clock there's a ranger-led canoe trip out into the glades, so that would be interesting. That's free, but this shoulder's bothering me, so that's not going to happen this year. What else? There are interpretive talks. Let's see, there's one on manatees, there's one on crocodiles that's going on this or tomorrow, I think. There's also one I'm going to try to catch that just talks about, you know, Flamingo and what's here. Like I said, there used to be a hotel. I think it's back in the ruins, or back in there. So the eco lodges are their answer to the hotel. So give you an overview what's down here in Flamingo, a little bit of something for everybody, and which is why I keep coming back. And I said this is my 3rd year, and I do something different each time. So see you later, YouTube.